Jordan brand continued its strong momentum in golf during 2025, blending performance features with iconic sneaker DNA. Looking ahead to spring 2026, the Jordan Spiz'ike Low Golf is set to bring one of the brand's most popular hybrid designs onto the course. Among the first colorways previewed, the light iron ore edition stands out with a clean, modern look highlighted by subtle chrome accents on the signature wings. The familiar Spizike Low shape stays true to the lifestyle version, keeping its bold layered design while adapting for golf use. Jordan brand is expected to include light weather resistance to help manage early morning moisture and changing course conditions. Performance upgrades are most noticeable on the outsole, which features 7 radial traction zones engineered for stability, balance, and grip on grass. While an official release date has not been announced, the light iron ore Jordan Spiz'ike Low Golf is expected to arrive through Nike channels ahead of peak golf season globally.